Mayroon na naman tayong special magic tricks guys. Tanggalin na rin nila joker guys. Pili tayo ng isang card guys. Ito guys. Ito yung card ng spectators guys. Kahit saan nyo yan ilagay guys. Kahit saan nyo ilagay ito guys. Dito o dito guys. Kahit saan nyo ilagay ito. Ngayon guys, tatanungin natin yung spectators guys. Magbibigay ng number guys. Between 5 and 15. Example, 13. 13 guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ngayon guys, yung magician guys, kukuha naman ng 20 cards guys. 20 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yung card ng spectators guys, 13. Ngayon guys, magbibilang tayo ng 13 cards guys. Dito sa card ng magician guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ito na yung pang 13 guys. Ito na yung Ace of Hearts guys. The magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.